Hello, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Julia here from Majo Imbiss, your sunshine girl. To remind everyone that tonight we have our citrus vodka splash cocktail and chicken adobo with rice, both at 99 pesos each. Also, that we are now on Backride Palawan's delivery app for your favorite Majo's dish.
In the heart of Puerto Princesa, the sun is shining bright. At Majo Imbiss, where the vibes feel just right, with a smile that sparkles like the ocean waves. Julia is the sunshine girl who sets our hearts ablaze. Oh, Julia, the sunshine girl, lighting up our days, dancing through the laughter in so many ways. From the tasty treats to the